Hello my dear students, welcome to session 17. In this session, we shall discuss about conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a tool that allows you to apply formats to a cell or range of cells, and you can have them formatted depending on the value of the cell or value of a formula. For example, you can have a cell appear bold only when the cell value is greater than 100. Conditional formatting is a feature in many spreadsheet applications that allows you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. You can see here conditional formatting of a monthly record, height, temperature data for various locations with colors that corresponds to the values embedded in them. So you can see the difference between the hotter values and the cooler values. Understand the usage of the same. Conditional formatting is embedded in the Home tab. You need to click upon the conditional formatting tab under styles, and you can see the various options available. Data bars, color scales and icon sets were already discussed in the previous sessions. Today we shall give emphasis on the usage of highlight cells rules, and let us explore new rule, clear rules and manage rules. Consider the given example. Here my task is highlight duplicate values. So given in the session, given in this data, so if that data runs into 500 to 5000 lines, it will be very difficult for me to analyze and understand and clearly pinpoint how many data are duplicated. But with the help of conditional formatting, this becomes very simple and easy. So how shall we do this? Very simple. Click upon conditional formatting, choose highlight cells rules tab, and please come down and choose the duplicate values. Okay, and click upon the same, and you can see that whatever is duplicated is colored in red. Okay, this can be also done you can say column wise. Let us explore then column wise. Now if I want to remove this conditional formatting which has already taken place, go to the conditional formatting tab, click upon clear rules and clear from the selected cells. Okay, and you can see the conditional formatting has been removed. Now I shall show you with respect to a particular column only. Okay, select this column. If I want to know whether any data is repeated, choose conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules, choose duplicate values and then say enter. So you can see here my result shows that this data in 6 employee code and data in 14, that is 14 employee code is same as employee code 6. So this helps me to highlight duplicate values also. We shall now consider one more example. Now you can given in the list here, my task is to highlight cell that contains specific text. Okay, so let us see. Say for example, I want to search for Asha. So this is my task. So how shall we do that? Cover the data, click on conditional formatting, choose highlight cell rules, among them go to text that contain. Okay, text that contain Asha, and then just say OK. So we can see that conditional formatting can also be used to highlight a cell that contains the specific text in which we are interested. Now we shall move to the third example. Consider here the data set wherein my task is to highlight cell with greater than some value, less than a value and equal to a selected value. We shall explore this. Now dear students, cover the data. So values are in the column H. Choose conditional formatting. Under that highlight cell rules. Then I am going to click upon greater than. So say let me take it up greater than 87,500 and I want that in light red fill, okay, and I'll say okay. Similarly, I can again go to the same follow up, that is conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and now I can choose less than. So I want less than say 2 lakhs, or because 2 lakhs is not much available, say I want less than 1,20,000, and let it get filled with yellow color and then say okay. If you observe, so here very clearly I have segregated the items and the values with respect to above a limit and below a limit. So if you observe, this is a built-in rule very much available under styles under the home tab, wherein I can select the parameter of selection and I can give the formatting as required. So if you had observed here, so previously the coloration or the coloring of the data was different and now it is different. So this task can be done individually. So conditional formatting, highlight cells rules greater than, less than, between, equal to, this task can be done individually, cannot be done simultaneously. So now let us move to the next example. Dear students, you can see here I have a data here. Okay, so let me remove I am removing in front of you the clear from the selected cells. So you can see that it is removed. I have a data here, and this amount, this is with respect to the various turnovers or the collection with respect to the products, dairy products, other produce, agricultural produce, grain produce, beverage, etc. This is the total sales. Okay, now if I want to segregate based on color code scheme, and which will help me to understand in which region the sales is more pertaining to which item. So we shall do that. So here cover the data, click upon conditional formatting, choose, and now here you need to move down to that and say manage rules. You have to manage rules, click on new rules, and you can say you have to choose here format all cells based on their values, and you can give the highest value is dark color, so you can choose the color also. So highest value you can go for green, and lowest value you can go for green, and highest value you can go for say blue. Okay, and then say okay, and then okay and apply. So if you observe, dear students, as soon as the value changes, the color shade is also changing. So this is a very good tool, and this range can be looked upon as a heat map. So in this case, I have a summary list of product sales, and I am examining the overall sales distribution in key product category with respect to gradient of color scale. So this is very helpful for me to analyze and understand the emphasis with respect to the produce. So that's all for here in this session, dear students. So you would have observed that today what a beautiful tool we have learned, and it's a tool that allows you to apply formats to a cell or range of cells, and one can format the change depending upon the value of the cell or the value of the formula. But remember that conditional formatting is same as adding one or more formula to each cell in which you use it. So applying conditional formatting to large number of cells may cause performance degradation. So one needs to be cautious when applying to large ranges. So that's all for today, students. I hope you have learnt a lot in this session. We shall meet soon. Thank you. So if you observe now that conditional formatting is a wonderful tool to analyze and give a description about the selected product. Thank you.